In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OBS virtual camera for Zoom. To get started, open OBS Studio first. Before you connect it to Zoom, take a moment to arrange your scenes and sources exactly the way you want them to appear during your meeting. This is important because Zoom will display whatever scene is currently active in OBS. So if you want a webcam layout, a presentation view, or a custom scene with overlays, make sure everything is set up and looking right inside OBS before moving on. Once your layout is ready, look over to the controls dock in OBS. Depending on how your workspace is arranged, this is usually on the far right side of the window or sometimes near the bottom right. In that controls area, click Start Virtual Camera. This turns OBS into a camera source that other apps, including Zoom, can use. If you don't see anything happen visually right away, that's normal. It simply means OBS is now ready to send your selected scene out as a virtual webcam feed. Next, open Zoom. You can do this either before joining a meeting, while you're in the waiting room, or once you're already inside the meeting itself. The key thing is to make sure your camera is turned on in Zoom first. To do that, click the camera icon so video is enabled. After your camera is on, click the small upward pointing arrow next to the camera icon. This opens the camera selection menu where Zoom lets you choose which video source to use. From that list, select OBS Virtual Camera. As soon as you choose it, your Zoom video feed should switch over and display whatever scene or layout is currently active in OBS. At this point, Zoom is no longer using your regular webcam view directly. Instead, it's showing the output from OBS, which gives you a lot more control over how you appear on screen. If you change scenes in OBS, those changes should be reflected in Zoom as well. So it's a good idea to keep OBS open while you're in the meeting. And that's it. Once OBS Virtual Camera is selected in Zoom, your custom OBS setup becomes your live camera feed. If the feed doesn't appear right away, double check that the virtual camera is started in OBS and that the correct camera source is selected in Zoom. After that, you should be ready to join your meeting with a much more polished and flexible video setup.